Hey, how you doing? And welcome back to another video from Las Vegas. Today we are staying at the Fontainebleau Hotel. We'll do a tour of the room. So here we are at Fontainebleau, room 1653. As we go into the room, we're first greeted with the hallway into the main bedroom and living area. Just as we come in to the doorway, you've got your access to switching all your lights on and off, which will control the whole room. You've got the privacy and do not disturb options. The full length mirror as we come into the room. The king size bed. You've got your plug sockets, USBs and all the buttons for switching all the lights off, opening the drapes, opening the curtains. A nice headboard following the Fontainebleau colours. Got the mini bar, which again, similar to any other mini bar, you don't touch it unless you want to be spending $20 on a few sweets. And then you've got the mini bar down below with all your drinks, soft drinks. See the champagne in there, the spirits, all your energy drinks, soft drinks. Got lots of storage space. And over here we've got some wardrobe options. A little table and chairs, you can sit and have a drink. And we've got the air conditioning, some nice artwork all around the room. Then at the head of the bed, got a nice big flat screen TV. Some more wardrobe with the robes and your slippers. You can tell it's a new hotel with how everything looks clean and all the cupboards and all the furniture hasn't been chipped yet with all the late night activities going on. And then back towards the door, just to the left as you come in, is the bathroom. You've got two sinks. You've got all the amenities. Lots of towels down below and a hairdryer. A toilet, which I'm glad to see because a lot of hotels don't. It's got a door. There's another robe here. So the second robe after the first one in the wardrobe. And then look at the size of this shower. The size of this shower is crazy. Don't know how many people you'd want to try and get fit in here. But again, you've got all your amenities there. You've got your body wash, your conditioner and your shampoo. You've got the rainfall shower and the overhead shower. That's an absolutely stunning bathroom.